The Department of Mathematics, University of Ibadan Lecture Room. Dr. Inyatana meets her maths students in the class on International Women's Day as YMC Yorùbá Mathematics Class channel covers what transpires in the class, all in English language.
Good morning, dear students. Today is International Women's Day. I also celebrate you students who are ladies and women in my class.
Doctor, good morning, ma'am. Happy International Women's Day. And I learned too that today marks the celebration of women in mathematics in Nigeria.
Yes, thanks Janet. At the just concluded Nigerian Mathematical Society 41st Conference, one of us, Professor Ajayi, has just been honored and conferred with a Fellow of the NMS. In fact, on the CNN today, it was in the talk show of the International Women's Day.
On this very occasion of the International Women's Day, I join all women in mathematics in Nigeria and in diaspora. We want to celebrate the newest Fellow of the Nigerian Mathematical Society, in person of Professor Deborah Olayide Ajayi. Don't mind my pronunciation. Indeed, Professor Deborah Ajayi deserves the honor. Can you please tell us more about her? Sure, I will. Her early life and education. Professor Deborah Olayide Ajayi was born on June 30, 1964, into a family with strong educational and commercial ties. At just 1 year old, she moved to Ibadan, Nigeria, where she lived with her grandmother, Madam Comfort Ajayi. Despite being uneducated, her grandmother was a wealthy textile trader. Young Deborah actively assisted her grandmother in counting money, which significantly developed her numeracy aptitude. Her academic journey began at Yorùbá Methodist Primary School 1970 to 1975 and continued at Our Lady of Apostles Secondary School in Ibadan 1975 to 1980, where she excelled in mathematics, achieving an impressive A1 grade. What about her higher education bio? Higher education and pioneering achievements. In 1981, Professor Ajayi gained admission to the University of Ibadan, UI, where her passion for mathematics flourished. She completed her BA degree in mathematics, pure and applied, in 1986 from the Department of Teacher Education at UA. After her national youth service at the College of Education in Shib, Anambra State, she returned to UI in 1987 to continue her studies. In 1990, she obtained her M.Sc. in functional analysis, and in a groundbreaking achievement, she earned her PhD in mathematics in 1996. Professor Ajayi became the first female to achieve this distinction at the University of Ibadan and the second from any Nigerian university. Her research specialization lies in the field of algebraic topology, under the guidance of Professor S.A. Lori, D.Phil. Oxon. I'm thrilled about Professor Deborah Ajayi's profile. Please tell our viewers more about her professional career, academic career and leadership roles. Professor Ajayi's academic journey led her to join the University of Ibadan as an assistant lecturer in the Department of Mathematics in 1990. Over the years, she climbed the ranks, eventually attaining the prestigious title of full professor on October 1, 2017. As one of the first 5 female professors of mathematics in Nigeria, she has accumulated 33 years and 11 months of teaching and research experience. Her service to the university includes roles such as Departmental Students Advisor, Chairperson of the Computer Management Committee, and Acting Head of Department. In the last conference where she was conferred with a Fellow, she was also given an award by the Women in Mathematics. Yes, YMC showed this on the YouTube channel.
Here, Professor Deborah Olayide Ajayi was presented an award by Professor Int'l Akinwande. Here, Professor Ajayi recounts her experience why she mounts the ladder of academic achievement.